What is up, people? I'm hoping that you are all good. I've got a laptop to fix here. So this is the Asus VivoBook. I think I fixed quite a few of these on this channel. M515D. Probably slightly different in terms of the model number, but just the same laptop. Anyways, this is dead. Nothing whatsoever. Even when I try to wiggle it around, getting nothing, no response over there. 0 amps, 0 milliamps, nothing. This is dead. Anyways, let's pop open up this thing and see what's happening inside. It might be an interesting one, or it could be one of the common issues. So this is coming from a local repair shop, which kind of makes it boring if they've tried to fix it themselves. So the way that I know those guys, I doubt that they try to fix it because they don't know how to fix. I used to work there, and yeah, so they don't know how to fix. But they might have hired another technician who might have tried to work on it. Or the actual owner might have taken it to another shop before taking it to theirs. It's always a long story, man. Always a long story. Okay, what do we have here? No way. There is no way at all. I think if you take a look at the channel, you'll find a video where I found a short circuit. It was being caused by a cap right over there, that capacitor. I have fixed a laptop where that capacitor was faulty. Day before yesterday, today is Sunday, yes, on Friday, I fixed another Asus like this. Same spot. Literally the same spot, and the EC chip, yes, with corrosion over there. It's kind of obvious though why they are doing that, because this is like the third or fourth laptop that I'm fixing, and it's got a problem like over there. It's because of the fan, the position of the fan. The fan is over here, it's blowing air, and whatever liquid it's gonna suck from the bottom of the laptop, it spreads it over these components, because that's where the fan outputs over there. But I don't know why it specifically targets this cap, this particular capacitor. That is an interesting one. Let me take a multimeter quickly and measure for a short circuit, which will be tricky if we don't have, because, yeah. But considering that the laptop is not drawing anything, I am convinced that we have a short circuit, and we also have a dead second or first MOSFET, which would cause the laptop not to draw any current at all. So let's check for a short circuit over here. Yep, we have a short circuit. There we go. 0.3. That is a short circuit. So let's take this guy off. We could kind of snap it away. Let me use a prying tool. There we go. It's gone. Now let us confirm if we still have a short circuit over here. No, we don't. We do not have a short circuit at all. This is fixed. Now that section is fixed. We might have another issue where the second or first MOSFET is dead. So let's take the microscope off, back to the motherboard. Alright, plugging in the charger. I've got a response on the power supply. I've got an LED over there, orange. The laptop is on. So let me put it in the battery just to make sure that it's charging. So I'll just expect to see more current like that. Yeah, you can see, look at the current over there, 1 amp, 1.3. Yeah, that kind of shows you that the battery is charging. If it goes like, yeah, like that, 1.5, 1.7, it's gonna probably get up to 2. So the only reason why it would keep going down and stuff, like up and down, is because the laptop was still starting up. So yeah, but anyways, now you've got a kind of an okay or solidish voltage. So the laptop is on and it's displaying. I don't want to show the customer's username, so I'm gonna shut it down, and then we focus on the current without the laptop being switched on. There, you see the current doesn't jump up and down or anything, and it's drawing little current either because the battery is flat, too low, or because the battery is almost full. So either of those two will cause the laptop to sort of draw that little current. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch it on and cover the user profile area, and then we can have a look at the battery icon in that corner over there. So you can see it's almost full. It is almost full, so that's why it's drawing little current. Anyways, this is fixed. There is nothing else for me to do over here. Thanks for watching. See you in another video. Cheers and goodbye.